I will come back. Hello, friends and professionals. Eighth question of the day. Okay, it can be the same day you will get this one question or different questions, but at the end of the day, how much knowledge you are acquiring. Don't worry about the slide. What is the main advantage of pricing condition type in SAP SD or S4 HANA? This is one of my favorite topic. The day one when I started in SAP SD, I'm just eagerly waiting for when I can able to start my learning on pricing. It took a month. That is different story. Okay, outside institutions probably like that only. I cannot help it out. Okay, anyhow, you can see this. Options are condition fields control, condition records access, and properties of condition type, pricing determination. All of the above, or else probably A, B, C, D, all are wrong. Okay, so think and write an answer for this question. Anyhow, I'll give you back what is the right answer. This is series specifically useful to prepare for your certification examination, or else if you are attending corporates like some corporates, any corporate, TCS, Infosys, or Wipro. So even if you are applying on experience also, shown experience, such a case they would like to check your basic knowledge instead of directly diverting to what I would say interview board. So the main gate is your entrance examination. That is quite online. Sometimes it will be like 50 to 25 questions. Some mid-sized companies also adapt that. If they done walk in like it's a huge crowd, they cannot able to control it to curtail initially. At the same time, hours and hours they cannot able to do the interview. Okay, probably we'll have a discussion on that. This is time to acquire the knowledge. You just tell me what is the right answer. Okay, so I think you can answer, you can comment. Don't be lazy. Comment the answer if you know it. I'll appreciate it. Okay, it's a good part of, I just need your involvement. Probably I'm planning to start YouTube live in future so that you guys can learn a lot of things from me. This is my channel. If you want, you can subscribe. Okay, so more than 400 and I think I forgot. Let's check. Here is the place the channel comes. Let's see. So it is 434. With this video it is 435. If you want, you can subscribe it. And if you'd like to learn this courses like SAP SD sales and distribution, okay, with 300 lectures, I'm happy to say that I have increased. This question also will be added, and followed by answer also will be added. This is SAP S4 HANA Simple Logistics Business Partners, like getting master to write functional specification. Like there are a few set of courses available. I'm just providing link below of this video. You can try, and if you really want it, you can subscribe to my courses. You will not be disappointed. I explained field by field. Remember, field by field. Okay, if you have doubts, and you can come back either utilizing Udemy forum, or else you can utilize YouTube comments anywhere. Welcome. Anyhow, I wish you all the best. Have a great time. Jai Hind.